Hey everyone, welcome back to BrewFix. If your coffee machine is leaking water or coffee all over the counter, don't panic. Today, I'll show you how to find where the leak is coming from, why it happens, and how to fix it fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Safety first. Before we touch anything, always unplug your coffee machine. Water and electricity are not friends. Also, make sure the machine has cooled down completely before inspecting it. Step 2. Identify the leak type. Leaks can happen in different places, and that tells us what's wrong. Let's look at the most common areas. Leak from the bottom. If you see water pooling under your machine, it could be from a damaged water tank seal, a cracked tank, or a loose internal hose. Leak from the portafilter or group head. This usually means your group gasket is worn out, that rubber ring that seals the portafilter to the machine. They get hard or brittle over time. Leak around the steam wand. If your steam wand keeps leaking even when closed, the valve inside might need cleaning or replacement. Leak from top or around buttons. That's often condensation or a cracked internal hose, especially in fully automatic machines. Step 3. Step-by-step leak diagnosis. Now, let's find the exact source. Here's a quick method I use. Step 1. Fill the tank halfway with water and place it back. Check if the tank itself is leaking. Remove it, fill it, and hold it over the sink. If it drips, it's the tank or seal. Step 2. Place paper towels under the machine and power it on with caution. Paper helps reveal where the leak starts. You'll see what spots appear directly under the leak. Step 3. Remove panels, if safe and under warranty conditions. For more advanced users, open the bottom or side panel to inspect hoses and connectors. A flashlight helps a lot here. Step 4. Common fixes. Fix 1. Replace the water tank seal. If the rubber seal at the bottom of the tank is worn or cracked, water will leak straight through. You can replace this O-ring easily. Just make sure it's food-safe silicone. Fix 2. Replace the group gasket. This is one of the most common leaks on espresso machines. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the old gasket, clean the groove, and press in a new one. Fix 3. Tighten or replace internal hoses. Sometimes a small silicone tube slips off due to pressure or heat. Tighten the clip or replace the hose if it's cracked. Fix need. Involve maintenance. If your steam wand leaks, even when closed, open the valve, clean any coffee oils or scale inside, and reassemble. Here is a pro tip for you. Always take photos before disassembling. It makes reassembly much easier. Step 5. Prevent future leaks. Once your leak is fixed, here's how to keep it from happening again. Regularly decal your machine. Replace gaskets every 6 to 12 months. Don't overfill the water tank. Clean the group head after each use. Remember that maintenance equals no more leaks. So, that's how you quickly find and fix a leaking coffee machine. Most leaks come down to a worn gasket or loose seal. Easy fixes once you know where to look. Follow this principle. Find it. Fix it. Brew happy. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to BrewFi, and check out my other repair guides for coffee lovers and technicians. See you in the next video.